Good morning, everybody. It's I'll have to check and see what the date is. I'll put it at the bottom probably. Anyway, we went to Home Depot this morning. Got a little bit more insulation. Got some Portland cement. This came in, which was my supports for the unfaced bats for underneath the house. I got me some knee pads because I think I'll be doing tiling here pretty soon in the bathroom. And we got some concrete, and we're doing the concrete work in here. This lady here is a concrete specialist. So we're just going to do the floor today so it hardens, and then we can work our way up the wall the next time Valentine is off. That's feeling good. We have that Portland cement mixed with high strength concrete and crack resistant concrete. We're trying to keep to kind of the same ratio for the whole thing. Where it is done. It looks pretty good, actually. We don't have a float. There's something to float this. I don't know if we need that. But she plans on... What do you plan on doing?
I'm looking like a plastering job.
So there's some kind of topping you can put on it or something.
Yes, that's what that Quick Creek cement. It's a simple cement, and then I want to sprinkle with sand. So it has a velvety touch to it.
This might float out. I mean, after it dries, it might just get rid of the lines.
I'm going to use that fluffy thing right there with the fluffiness. What do you call that?
I don't know. It's a float.
Float. That is a...
green foam float.
Foam, yes. The fluffy foam.
Oh, and then she also has this that she wants to round it.
The edges.
So you're going to do that in a little bit when this dries more.
It has to be drier, otherwise it's too wet for that job.
Hey guys, December 18, a little after 9 o'clock. I'm approaching 9:30 actually. Got out here a little bit later than I really wanted to, but it is what it is. It's kind of probably hard to tell on the camera, but it's yucky weather this morning out here. This is what I grew up in the Central Valley of California. It's all foggy. Alright, I wanted to come in and see what does this floor turn out like. I'm not very happy with it. It's pretty hard. We're going to be doing some sanding on that. Or Val's going to put... She said she's going to put, like, resurface it or something. She's going to put something on there to smooth it out. Today, I have a couple things I want to do. I have one bag of insulation at that end of the house down there in the bedroom. I want to go ahead and put that in. And I want to clean up this place again. It just starts getting out of hand, and it's getting to the point when I want to work. I'm going to be getting to this wall pretty soon. There's stuff against the wall everywhere, and I need to put insulation in. So let's get it all cleaned up, see what I have, put things away that don't have to be in here. Anyway, nice and hard. Guess it takes quite a few days to cure, but looking okay for now. Alright, gonna get the tractor and get some tools and stuff like this I want to clean up. So, alright, let's get to work. Alright guys, another bag of insulation done. Kind of crazy. I felt like it stretched pretty far when I was doing this wall, but I guess it's because I was barely ever using full bats. A lot of cutting, a lot of windows. Came here today. All it did was, I don't remember if I did this whole one or not, but at least part of that. Part of this one down at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links of bats, and then little bits at the bottom because not quite tall enough. Had a little left over for there, and left over for these skinny little lines here. I'm trying this apple licorice. Pretty good. I'm done with that project because I don't have any more insulation. I'm gonna I saw around this window, I still have foam to cut. Here, so I'm going to take my oscillating tool, trim this up, and then if it looks like I need caulking, I'll caulk these. I think I'm just going to make a project of this and go ahead and the doors and stuff, these doors, and there's more doors over there. They've all been in this room, so I haven't been able to do a good job on these windows and get to them. So they're freed up, so I'm going to go ahead and get these done as well. All of these windows in this room. I just think it's so amazing how dirty this place gets after every few days. Look at this floor. Unbelievable. So I basically went around all the windows in the room here. This one, this one, this one. Worked my way to that point. Then I took couple things and spread them around where they need to go, in the shed, in the bone pile over there, as my buddy Dennis calls it, the wood bone pile. So I got stuff I can always pull out of if I need it. Basically all this, not these are fresh, but everything else for my forms are all from the bone pile, and I'm just going through stuff ever so slowly here, cleaning things up. Went and got some caulking for around the windows. My leaf blower, when I get toward the end where I can start blowing stuff again this way, I am throwing loose pieces of wood that are just small pieces, and I'll go dump those on my firewood pile. I've cleaned up a little bit here, got the black bag here, and cleaned up some stuff and threw it in there, and then that's going to be stuff that's going to go to the bone pile over there. So we're just picking away at it. It'll look good when I'm done, and I'll be able to move around. I just, my thing is, I think I might have said this already, but you know, tomorrow I'll be there, and almost everywhere I need left to work, there's stuff against the wall. So I need to get it all cleaned up, move it to the center. Alright guys, it's almost 4 o'clock. What I got done today was I cleaned all these, as I told you guys. Then I went back through and I caulked that window, this window, this window, this window, this window. So that's done. Completely done now. I cleaned this one, I cleaned this one, cleaned that one, cleaned that one, cleaned that one, cleaned that one, part of this one, or this one too. Caulked this one, caulked this one, caulked that one, caulked that one. Ended on that one because I ran out. And then Valentina called me, so I haven't really got to it. Unfortunately, I wasn't thinking ahead. I pulled everything over here so that I can finish out insulation so nothing's in my way against the wall. But what I ended up doing is putting stuff here, and now I can't get in to clean up these windows that are right here of the foam and put the caulking there. So after I finish this insulation up this way, I can pull this stuff this way and then get in there and finish that up. So I am wrapping it up. I don't have my tractor to take my stuff around because Diego and Leon are here and they're clearing themselves a spot for their trailer. So they're using the tractor now. Well, it just got windy. So I got to take tools down to the shed by hand. It's amazing how nice it is to have the tractor. I got out wind. Lock up the place, leave, and heading to Home Depot to get some more insulation. And I have an order in for insulation underneath the house and the liner that goes on the ground, 6 mil. The liner came in, so I need to pick that up. But the insulation's not in yet for underneath. But I can just buy some for the walls here. All right, I will see you guys the next time I'm out here, which most likely will be tomorrow.